US state deficit soars as capital goods impacted a record high. The US state deficit widened sharply in July, climbing by more than 30% as imports of capital goods surged to record levels, signaling resilient domestic demand and firm business investment. The overall gap in goods and services rose by 32.5% to $78.3 billion. The Commerce Department reported on SEPT for imports increased by 5.9% to $358.8 billion, while exports edged up just 0.3% to $280.5 billion, leaving the goods deficit 21% higher than in June at $103.9 billion. Cutting trade deficit has been a central goal of President Donald Trump's policy agenda, alongside a push to reindustrialize the US economy, while the July trade deficit figure undercut the first objective. The details suggest a lift for the manufacturing. Capital goods imports climbed by $4.7 billion to a record $96.2 billion, driven by inflows of computers, telecom, gear, and industrial machinery. Industrial supplies and materials rose by $12.5 billion, including $9.6 billion increase in nominatory gold. Economists note these categories are closely tied to business investment as they represent tools, equipment, and raw material used to expand production capacity. The high import number of reflects increased business demand for capital investment. CapEx expenditures are projected to increase significantly this year as far as investment in both infrastructure and technology. Dan Walone, President and CEO of Potomac Core, a consulting firm specializing in trade matters, told the Epic Times in an email statement. President Trump's new big beautiful law, for example, is designed to get business to invest on the front end. The 100% expensing provision in a boon for manufacture. It is an accelerator for small business and the manufacturing arena, and we can accept to see strong investment in this sector.